Hello dear guys, in this video I will show you my virtual assistant Maya, which I had created using Python programming language. So this project is very special for me because it took a lot of days and it was really fun to make this project. So let's start.
Good noon, hope you had your lunch Pranav. What can I do for you?
What is the time?
The time is 12 hours 27 minutes and 29 seconds.
How old are you?
I am 3 weeks and 6 days old.
What is your name?
I am your virtual assistant Maya. I was created by you. I can do a lot of things like managing your computer, sending emails or WhatsApp messages for you, getting weather information, opening browser or YouTube, getting distance between two places and even search news for you. I can read and write your given dictation as well. Just name it and I will do for you. If I can't do, I believe that you will code me to do it next time. Haha. Do you want to know my specifications?
No, that will be fine.
Sure.
What is the weather?
For which place you want to get the weather data?
Amritsar.
Current temperature for Amritsar is 16 degrees Celsius with fog. Do you want full weather statistics?
Yes.
Current humidity is 82% with a wind speed of 2.64 km per hour.
What is the news?
Searching news. Here's the news. 1. YouTube starts rolling out 4K support on Android devices with any display, report, business line. 2. Won't oppose for sake of it, but, new leader of opposition's warning to center, NDTV. 3. Cooperation between center, states very important, PM at NITIIIG meet, NDTV. 4. India vs England, cricket fraternity in awe of Ahmedabad's Motera Stadium. See pics, ndtvsports.com. 5. Priyanka Chopra gets a compliment from Drew Barrymore, I have loved you at first sight, Hindustan Times.
Tesla on Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Tesla, Inc. is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California.
I want to use your dictation feature.
Which feature in dictation you want to use? Read, edit, or clear dictation?
Edit.
The file already contains previous dictation. Do you want to continue in previous existing file, or you want to clear the previous dictation, continue or clear or read?
Clear.
Are you sure you want to clear the dictation? This step can be destructive. Yes or no?
Yes.
The dictation has been cleared. What you want to write?
Elephant is the largest land animal.
Added to the dictation. Do you want to dictate more? Yes or no?
Yes.
What you want to write?
Blue whale is found in Indian Ocean.
Added to the dictation. Do you want to dictate more? Yes or no?
No.
Your dictation has been added.
I want to use the dictation feature.
Which feature in dictation you want to use? Read, edit, or clear dictation?
Read.
February 20th, 2021, 12 hours 27 minutes and 18 seconds. Elephant is the largest land animal. Blue whale is found in Indian Ocean.
Send email.
What should be the subject of the email?
Greetings.
What should I write in the email?
Good afternoon. Sending through virtual assistant Maya.
Whom should I send it to?
Papa.
Subject of email, greetings. Body of email, good afternoon, sending through virtual assistant Maya. Are you sure you want to send this mail to Papa?
Yes.
The email has been sent.
Now we'll see if she has really sent the email. Open Gmail. As we can see, she has sent the email. Greetings. Search on Google Elon Musk.
Searching Google.
So she has searched Elon Musk for me. Stream demons.
Finding your song.
So she will find my song. Thank you, Maya.
No problem, Pranav.